Just soak and wait. You'll never waste time scrubbing again or throwing away because they're dirty. For this, let's start by adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a container. Next, we'll need a lemon. If possible, use this type, as it's more acidic and will bring better results. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out all its juice. When it comes into contact with the baking soda, it will create a small reaction. But that's completely normal because this mixture is really powerful. It's no wonder most people have stopped buying ready-made cleaning products and started using lemon and baking soda in their daily cleaning routines. After squeezing all the lemon juice, we'll also add dish soap. I'm using this green one, but you can use whichever you prefer. We'll add 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Now, we'll add vinegar. It needs to be the well-known white alcohol vinegar, which is specifically for cleaning. We'll add the same amount, 3 full tablespoons. Finally, we'll finish by adding a liter of warm water. It doesn't need to be boiling, just warm water is enough. Now just mix everything well until all the ingredients are combined. Next, place the stove burners inside. With use and without regular cleaning, these parts tend to accumulate a lot of dirt, grease, and food residues. Anyone who has tried to remove this buildup knows how difficult it is. But with this mixture we just prepared, you'll be able to remove it easily. You can also place the top part, which usually accumulates rust and soot. Our mixture will help eliminate that too. It's very important to fully submerge the pieces in the solution. This way, it will work together with the warm water, softening and making cleaning easier. Let's leave them soaking for about 20 minutes, and then I'll show you the results. After the time has passed, let's see how they turned out. Look at this. You can practically clean them with just your finger. All thanks to the ingredients, which trigger a reaction with the dirt, softening and loosening it. That's why this method makes cleaning so much easier. Now just finish with a sponge. With little effort, you'll be able to remove all the encrusted grime. You won't need to waste time scrubbing or even use steel wool. This powerful mixture will make your job much easier. No more wasting time or even hurting your fingers trying to clean. Try this at home and solve your problems. Look at the difference. It looks like a brand new piece. It's truly incredible. That's it. I hope you liked it. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll love the results. Thanks for watching and see you soon.